Hello viewers, good day everyone and welcome to Hamlet TV. Today we want to talk about the killings that is going on in Nigeria, Benin City. The clashes between the two court groups that since few days now, many people have lost their life just because of courtism. Just because they are involved with the devil. They sold their life to the devil. I find it so difficult to understand that up till now, neither the Nigerian government nor its people that are committing evil, none of them want to change up to today. They still continue doing their evil acts, killing themselves, stealing and kidnapping themselves, so on and so forth. And it's so hard for me to understand that why can someone be so foolish to just allow his soul or his life to be deceived by the devil. Because those people that are involved in cultism, many of them are educated. The way they say it, that they are educated, maybe we don't know anything, we are not educated. Many of them are educated, but upon all this, they don't understand what is going on. For you to involve your life with the devil, for you to sell your soul to the devil, I find it so difficult. Because there are many talented people that are in this cultism of a thing. They have the ability, they have the wisdom, they have the destiny to push forward, to get to their destination, to make it in life. But along the line, they will still fall a victim of being a cultist. They will still fall a victim of calling themselves any name of a cultism, Vikings, Ayes, whatsoever. I don't even know, and I don't even get to know, because I feel that they don't have their brain is not complete. Something is wrong elsewhere, really. So before I continue, let me just allow you to understand what is going on in Benin City. Because for the past few days now, for almost more than 1 week, let me say, more than 18 people have lost their life in Benin City, all because of cultism. The rivals are killing themselves just for nothing, for no reason. They don't even have any value for human beings' life. No value for life. So it was said that clashes between Aye and Vikings, between their group, have persisted in Benin City, the Edo state capital, with many killed. He said as of Saturday, different witnesses said at least 18 people might have died in the last 1 week. The corpse of an unidentified youth was also discovered in the early hours of Saturday along the Uselu-Lagos Road by Uselu Motor Park at the Ken Junctions in Ego local government area of Benin City. And they continue to say that also at Oni Street Junction off Abaligbe Street and elsewhere along Benin-Lagos Expressway, 2 other bodies were found on Saturday morning after the hoodlums struck in the area last Friday. No reasons have been given for the bloody encounters, but sources claim it was an issue of supremacy between the two groups. You can imagine. There is no reason for them killing themselves. They are just possessed with the devil. They are possessed. They forgot what the Bible said. They forgot to even listen to the word of God. For them not to fall a victim. For them not to allow the devil to steal their life away from them. They forget that the devil is just there to kill, steal, and destroy. They continue. Because why? They are foolish. The way I said it, that is the way it is. Because if you are reasonable somebody, you will watch a video right now where you will see one of them confessing that he was being forced. He said they forced him to enter. But still, after being forced to enter, he continued to assist them. He continued to do their way. Somebody that you know that they have killed you already, because anybody that involved you in cultism or initiate you in cultism have already killed you. You know that that person is wicked. You have killed your life. You have killed your soul already. But you still continue to follow that person. You still continue to keep to to be loyal to that person. Because why? Because you are not forced. Had it been you were forced to enter, when after the initiation and everything, the next day when you are free, what you will do, you will take police to arrest each and every one of them. You will report them to the law, because none of them is above the law. We know that they have police people in cultism, or the governors, presidents, so on and so forth. But any of them that is revealed or exposed with his or her evil act, none of them will survive it. They will really face the law, because what they are doing is killing other people. Yes, they are killing innocent lives. They are initiating them to the devil. And they continue to say that on Friday, an assistant commissioner of police in Benin was shot alongside 2 other policemen along Murtala Mohammed Way, close to 3rd East Secular Road Junction in the state capital city there in Benin City. The 3 policemen reportedly went to the upper Sapoba area of the Rampage Viral Court group, opened fire on them. They said they went to the Sapoba, that the area, maybe they called them to come and intervene, but the 2 court group, they opened fire on the police, and many police people were shot. They were initially believed to have died from the gunshot wounds, but the state police commissioner Johnson Kukumo said they were responding to treatment in an undisclosed hospital in Benin City. Yes, people thought maybe they have died, but the state commissioner is alerting us that they are receiving treatment, they are responding to treatment in the hospital. So we should not panic, and we should pray for them. They said soldiers have also been deployed to the troubled area in Upper Sapoba, Idogbo, 3 House Junction, and the adjoining locations where the activities of the cultists were beginning to affect the safety of residents. So all these places that the cultist people are disturbing, they have sent police and the military, the soldiers, to all those areas, is to at least to keep security tight and to tighten all the securities along that area. But my problem is this. Please watch this video, just a short video, and know that those people that are being killed because of cultism, after you join the cult, now if you have any problem, nobody will care for your life. If they send you to prison, nobody will come for you. It is only your family that can even visit you. All of them will escape. All of them will run, because they know that they are above the law. No one will surface. No one will even visit you as your friend. And the ones that are even dead, no one is coming to claim your body or to even plan to bury you. Maybe on the date of your burial now, if they know that your family have planned for the burial and everything, they will just come there and drink champagne and ogogoro. Finish. They will just come there and sing, wow, 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 wow. You are dead already. No, nothing is going to happen. You see? So I find it difficult for you not to understand that they are just there to take away your life, your precious life that God has blessed you with. So you don't need to be involved in all those kind of things. Please, may you all stop all those killings. It's so bad. Stop it. Stop killing yourselves. The time that the NSAS protest started, everybody was together. Be you Ayes, be you Vikings, or so on and so forth. People were together. Everybody was happy, voicing out for their liberty, for the betterness of their country, their future. But along the side, look what happened now. And when the police and the soldiers, they did everything now, the government, they took everything on their hands by force. You now, the youth, instead of you to go back and plan for the next way out, how you can at least approach the government so that they will understand your issues, they will understand your situations while you protested the first time of the NSAS. But no. You didn't do that. You went back now and started stealing. And because of all these stealing, killings, and kidnapping, that is why the police they started forming all different type of groups. Even the ones that are even armed robbers, all of them try to be police because they need to protect the country. But them are still the killers. But you now, the youths that have to protect your country now, you are still killing yourself. So what are we going to talk? It's so unfortunate. Please, I want you all to still reason and have a little brain of it. Because there is no difference between our years, this one. You are brothers and sisters, for crying out loud. The same city, the same language, the same home, the same village. Your brother, your own brother. You are killing your own brother because of devil? Because of cultism? What is wrong with you people? Why can't you have sense, for goodness sake? It's so touching. Listen to the family of this boy that was killed along the road. Up to today, nobody cares. The dead body is still there. Even the police, they can't even surface. They can't show their face, not talk of to even sign any paper for any mortuary to even come or ambulance to take the body. But even the cultism, the cult people, the cult group, they are supreme master, they are devilish master, they are Lucifer, and so on and so forth. Nobody is there to present itself so that the body will be buried. The body will be buried. Nobody. They just abandon the dead body there like vulture, like as if rats just died. Nobody cares for you. The devil did not care for you. Only what he cares is for your soul, to suck your blood. Basta. And if we use you to kill many people, we use you to suck many people's blood, then at last again we still kill you. So what are you waiting for? Listen to this family. I'll be back soon.
Family members of the deceased were total mourning when the news of the death of the young man identified as Tochukwu reached them. They said the information they got was that he was killed in the night. According to the father of the deceased, he last saw his son on Friday evening and was shocked to be called this morning that he has been killed. His sister Esther lamented the death of Tochukwu, saying he is the first son of her brother. The family has been thrown into a greater dilemma as they have been unable to get the appropriate authorities to evacuate the body.
My picking. They just use cutlass to butcher for a year.
4 nights.
For night, this month.
When you see her last, when you see her picking last?
Today evening, they ask before you walk out, come out. They wait this day go come out. I don't see her now locked door. This early morning now 2 boys contain me say they use cutlass to butcher for a year.
As they tell to my sister Piki, I don't like her. The mama dey house, the mama no well.
We decided to go to station to take a report. Getting to Ohoro station, they say they haven't started work. Even then they are still afraid. We say, what do we do? They say we should go and bury the deceased. Okay, we'll call ambulance. Ambulance say we must get report from police before we carry it. We told them, the ambulance man, that we have go to station and they say we should carry it. It's okay. They now call the mortuary attendant because they have the access to those people. They say without police reports, they will not allow the disease. So as I'm talking now, we are tired because we don't really know what else to do.
If there is any way, government to assist us.
So tell me, do you see any supreme master there? Do you see any number 1 or number 2 helping the father, assisting the father to run helter-skelter on how to bury his son? Nobody. They will just abandon you. So please change. Watch this other video and listen to this boy that is being forced to enter the court. After did and done, he still continue to follow them. And now they catch him with enough beating. Just listen and just feel the pain. If this was your brother or your sister, how will you feel? How will you feel? So please, you people have to change your ways of living. Change your ways. Stop putting your family's heart in danger. Then your families are feeling pains because of you. Please change. Thank you all for watching and remain blessed. Bye.
No. We are talking here.
Normally,
Tell us the truth. We go help you.
Now, first they force me to normally
I know.
before.
It's don't reach how many years. Tell us the truth.
But I know lie for you. You never reach 1 month. You want to come on board. But now my man that they tell you. I know lie for you. And yeah, now they blend me. Now first they force me enter. Before they do me, they first spiritual me first. Because I just come on board. They force me, they first spiritual me. They say man lie down. I lie down. Now they use wood. They knock my leg like 3 times. My leg swell up. So I don't feel work out the next day. Before they call give me the Gary food shop. Before they give me the Gary food shop. Before they give me the Gary food shop, they see knock sick on my leg again. Before they give me the Gary food shop. Before they call it teach me how to take the shake. They're shaking. But I say yeah, they will come up. But the orientation said they never even tell me anything about orientation. They never teach me. So every day now they collect my money from my hand.
But you that your guy where they follow say go so. You be in a member too.
I know life for you, a member.
For a year, I be a robber guy.
A year, I know life for you. I get you number dey my phone.
But now you go market yesterday.
I go sell my go market yesterday.
Orlando, permission to talk, sir. You say you newly join. How you can't take get their snacks?
The snacks.
Yes, their snacks dey your mouth.
Now orientation. The orientation they never even teach me orientation of it.
They not teach you orientation. How you can't take get their orientation when it be say they pour out from your mouth?
No, I no sabi the orientation, boss. Na small. I don't really.
How many mission you don't go since when you join this body?
Mission. I never go any mission, boss.
Today is the one where they call you.
No, be mission. Hey!
Let I have this guy.
Wait.
I feel like a baby.
Oh, I feel like they sing. Look, my mommy brother. If they come our house where I don't know that whether na go bag of it itself. I don't even know. If they come our house where
With the house here.
I feel like they come our house where.
Wait, what of all those people? Wait.
No,
I know
No, boss, na my man. I don't lie for you now.
Hold on. Apepa, they say Kulu, sit down.
Wait, then listen to me.
Now, come on, I can make a talk around.
Apepa, carry on. I bet me anybody not talk.
You na here boy abi? You dey fly abi? You dey fly. I hear dey fly. You dey fly. Wetin be your bush name?
They look this phone.
My bush name.
They look here.
Not be name when your papa give you, not be here give you. They get name when they give you. Then they call your bush name. Abankraya.
They look this phone.
Abankraya now they give you. Then the day when you go for initiation. The day when you go for initiation of
They look here. I go kick your face.
If I slap you, I go blind.